Hi, is this your first time here?
Yes, I want to join the gym.
Welcome. Would you like a tour?
Yes, please.
This is the cardio area. Do you like running?
Yes, I usually run on the treadmill.
We also have weight machines over here.
Great, I want to try weight training.
Are you interested in any classes?
Do you have yoga classes?
Yes, yoga is every Tuesday and Thursday evening.
How much does membership cost?
It's 500,000 VND per month, including all classes.
Do you have personal trainers?
Thank you. Can I use the lockers?
Yes, just bring your own lock.
Do you sell water or snacks?
Yes, at the counter by the entrance.
What time does the gym close?
At 10 p.m. every day.
Can I bring a friend?
Yes, we offer guest passes.
How do I sign up?
Just fill out this form and pay at the desk.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need any help.